Hello friends, welcome to BookTalk English, where we learn from great books and improve our English together. Today's book is one of the most powerful books about habits, Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you want to change your life, improve your habits, and become a better version of yourself, this video is for you. Let's get started. 5 big ideas from this book. Takeaway 1. Small habits make a big difference. James Clear says small changes, repeated every day, lead to big results over time. He calls this the 1% rule. If you get 1% better each day, you become 37 times better in 1 year. If you read 2 pages every day, you finish 5 to 10 books a year. If you walk for 10 minutes daily, you become stronger and healthier. Simple lesson: don't wait for big change. Start small. Do it every day. Takeaway 2. Focus on systems, not just goals. Most people focus only on goals like I want to lose weight or I want to learn English. But goals don't help if your system is broken. A system is what you do every day. Example: goal, learn English. System: read 10 minutes daily, watch English videos, and speak with friends. Build a good system. Your goals will come naturally. Takeaway 3. Change your identity, not just your behavior. Real change happens when you change your identity. Don't say, I want to quit smoking. Say, I am not a smoker. Don't say, I'm trying to read. Say, I am a reader. Example: every time you act like a reader, even for 5 minutes, you prove your identity. New identity, new habits, new life. Takeaway 4. Make habits easy, obvious, and fun. James Clear gives 4 rules to build good habits. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. Example: want to drink more water? Keep a bottle near you. Obvious: add lemon or mint. Attractive: use a small glass. Easy: mark progress on a chart. Satisfying: make habits simple and enjoyable. Takeaway 5. Remove bad habits by changing your environment. It's hard to break bad habits if your environment supports them. Want to stop wasting time on your phone? Put the phone in another room. Want to eat healthy? Keep fruits on the table. Hide junk food. Example: if you always see cookies, you'll eat cookies. Change your space, change your habits. Let's learn 5 useful words from Atomic Habits. 1. Habit: something you do again and again. Brushing teeth is a habit. 2. System: a method or routine to reach a goal. Reading every day is part of my system. 3. Identity: who you believe you are. I believe I am a healthy person. 4. Environment: the space or place around you. My room is clean. It's a good environment to work. 5. Reward: a positive result or prize. A smile is a reward for kindness. So friends, remember these 5 powerful ideas from Atomic Habits. Start small, 1% better every day. Build systems, not just goals. Focus on who you want to become. Make habits easy and fun. Change your environment to change your life. Question for you: what is one small habit you want to start this week? Write it in the comments below. If you like this summary and want to improve your English while learning powerful ideas, please like, share, and subscribe to BookTalk English. New 4 book videos every week, made simple just for you. See you in the next video. Keep learning and growing.